Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the motorcycle recovery system from BestRest Products. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the motorcycle recovery system from BestRest Products. This is a pulley system designed to give you more leverage so you can lift or tow your motorcycle out of some bad situations. And what's cool is that it gives you a 3-to-1 ratio. So in other words, if you physically can move 100 pounds, this will allow you to move 300 pounds. If you can move 200 pounds, you can move 600 pounds. And this is actually, they say, designed to work with motorcycles. They say up to 500 cc's. Now, I will say when I first learned about this product, I was thinking, well, you got your tow rope, like what, when would you really need this? But when you really think about it, there's a lot of situations. Maybe you're out riding and you're on a steep side hill and the bike tips over. It's hard to pick your bike up off a steep side hill. Or, for example, we did a ride down to 5 miles of hell, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen. That is a trail where if your bike breaks in certain areas, even with a tow rope, good luck getting your motorcycle out of there. And that's really where a system like this would really come in handy. You've got a heavy ADV bike and you've got it loaded down with luggage and physically you just couldn't lift that thing up if it tipped over. That's what this thing is designed to do, because once you have everything set up, and they do have a video where they show an example of actually using this in action, they show how you get everything set up. Like I said, giving you that 3-to-1 ratio, it's just gonna allow you to move the motorcycle a heck of a lot easier. So here's what comes included. You've got your main rope, which I believe is over 60 feet. You've got your 2 carabiners, you've got your pulleys, and then also they have, what's cool about these are these Prusik knots. And in the example that they give, what I like about these is that when you are pulling on the motorcycle, so let's say the bike tips over and you're gonna sit there and start pulling the motorcycle up to get it upright, well, you don't always have to be putting tension on the rope to make sure that the bike doesn't just fall over or go back down the hill that you're towing it up. Because of these Prusik knots, those will actually slide and basically lock this rope and keep the motorcycle where it is at. So that is a nice benefit to this system. So overall, like I said, if you do the type of riding where you could find yourself in a situation where you might have to tow a motorcycle out, you might have to get it up some sort of obstacle, or just get it from being tipped over upright, this would be a good setup to have. You can see it all fits into this red bag, so it can fit into your luggage pretty easily. One thing you do want to know about this setup is that obviously being a pulley system, just like a winch, you're gonna need either a big rock that's heavy enough or a tree that you're gonna have to tie this to in order to utilize this. So that is one thing that you would wanna keep in mind. But in any case, if you have questions or comments, we wanna get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab one for you today on your next ride, you can click on the link in the description or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you like this product spotlight and you wanna see more great videos like this, well, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and that will keep you up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.